Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Samsung Smart TV. So we want to put it back to original settings. So when we first bought it, say you want to sell it or you just simply want to get rid of all the settings that you've changed. All you need to do on your Samsung remote is press the home button, then come left here, come down to settings, select that, then come all the way to the right where you should find all settings. Let's go into that. Then come down here to general and privacy, select that. Now come all the way to the bottom where we can see reset, and it tells you here on the right hand side all the settings will return to factory defaults. So we select that. Now if you've never put a pin in, it's normally 0000. It tells you here, if you proceed, all data will be deleted, including your account information, downloaded apps and settings, and will be reset to factory defaults. So if you're happy with that, just press reset, and this bar will come up telling you the progress. Normally pretty quick if you don't have much on, like that. There you go, Samsung logo. This will all happen when you first buy the TV. Normally pretty quick. There you go. We've now reset our Samsung Smart TV back to factory reset. And this is what it'll look like if you first purchased the product from the shop. Hopefully you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.